Creamer Media's Mining Weekly is interviewing Jan Nelson, the CEO of Copper 360, the Johannesburg Stock Exchange's Alt-X-listed pure copper play that has just made a stunning copper discovery in an historically rich part of South Africa's highly prospective Northern Cape. Jan, it's great to chat to you once again. Why should South Africa be excited about your brand new drone-assisted copper discovery next door to the old Tweefontein copper mine?
Martin, I think we've always been and South Africa should have been excited about what we had in the area. But I think this discovery lifts the copper potential here to another level. The Tweefontein mine was the highest grade mine ever mined here, 25% average recovered grade over its life. And what we've now drilled is a significantly huge deposit on surface. You know, there's almost close to 35 meters at 4.5% copper on surface. Massive, and it continues. And our geophysics shows that we've got multiple zones doing that. So I think the significance now is that this, for the first time, shows that we can have deposits, copper deposits in the Northern Cape, the size of what you see in Chile. You know, those big open pit mines, the Chiquicheras. But another difference being that where those mines are running at 0.25%, our surface deposits, which are now looking to be similar in size, are running at between 2.5% and 4.5%. So I think that's the significance of this discovery.
That is amazing news. And what is the sort of timeline? What have you got to do next there?
Martin, drill. That's what we're doing. Luckily, it's very easily accessible. So we will, in the next 6 months, drill this extensively. And then from then, we'll get the mining engineers on it, and hopefully we can plan a significantly huge open pit, you know, like I've said, the size of what you see in the DRC and in Chile.
And then, you know, you've got 12 possible mines in all, and Rietberg, I mean, we're also excited about that. That went ahead greater than expected as well. When is Copper 360's initial Rietberg mine likely to get underway as a copper ore producer?
Martin, from April, we will start developing and equipping the mine. We are busy with all the ancillary services at the moment, but April is when the mine starts up. So yes, we're very excited about that. It's just around the corner.
And that was also, you found a lot more than you thought. You found a lot of layers of copper, almost like an aircraft carrier.
Yeah, Martin, that also exceeded our expectations extremely, you know, with the drilling that we've done. I must say, you know, we've got a very good geological team. And with all the historical data that we've had, they've been able to put it all together so we can focus on those high-grade zones. And we certainly have seen that in our confirmation drilling.
And then you've also been boosting your processing capacity. How much processing capacity is now available in all to Copper 360?
Yes, Martin, with the current SXCW and the plant we bought from Copper, which goes into production this month, and with the MFP1 that goes into production in April, 3 plants, we'll have a total processing capacity of 70,000 tons. But we are looking at building the 4th plant at the end of the year, and that'll boost our processing capacity to about 120,000 tons of ore per month. You will have seen that we've just currently raised about 350 million rand to accelerate our activities, obviously to target the new ore bodies at Rietberg, and in terms of the acquisition of Copper. And we've had very good support in that fundraising. We've got another additional facility of 600 million. So we've almost got close to 1 billion rand of capital that we have available for development. And that's come as a result of very good support from the fund managers and private individuals that definitely see the potential in Copper 360. We've even seen our price come a little bit under pressure as people are trying to force the price down a little bit to buy the shares at a cheaper price. But the good thing about that is the immense liquidity we've started seeing in the price. So I think everybody's realizing that this is going to become a huge play, and we've definitely seen very good support.
That's fantastic news. And what is Copper 360's main message to the market now?
Well, Martin, I'm going to put it to you this way. One of our 100% owned subsidiaries is the OCC, the Okiep Copper Company, which started their activities in 1937. Started by Newmont, and we now own it. And it was the owner of all the big mines in the copper district here. And over a 25-year period, the Okiep Copper Company paid a dividend of almost 1 billion rand. And that means almost 30 million rand dividend every year. And that's certainly where we are going with what we are doing now. We are looking to create immense wealth for the country, for our shareholders and the communities around us by becoming one of the prominent copper players in South Africa. So that's our message. We're here to create a bright South Africa, create wealth, and show that building a world-class company is possible in South Africa, and we can compete with anybody in the world.
That was Creameda's Mining Weekly, speaking to Jan Nelson, the CEO of Copper 360.